Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to add the rainbow effect in a video in Capcut app. So it is easy, so please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, open Capcut, then tap on new project. After tapping on new project, select the video you want to add the rainbow effect. So I am selecting the video. Now tap on add option in the bottom. I have added the video. Now you should have to add the audio to your video. For this, tap on audio option and you can add the audio from here. You can also add effects or extract it from any video. So let's suppose I'm adding this one. I added the audio. Now let's add the effect. So for this, go to effects. Now tap on video effects option. Now here tap on party option here, and here search for colorful effect. So yes, that is colorful effect. I added effect. Now you can increase or decrease its duration. So let's play the video to see how it looks. So hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.